The record-breaking heatwave is now moving across Europe, with Germany and Denmark today seeing their highest ever temperatures. Many countries across the continent have issued red alert warnings, with almost 200 million people experiencing heat of 35 degrees and over.
A cleaning truck was Prague's most welcome addition, its alternative use proving as big an attraction as any clock or castle. While in Budapest, some chased mist, although not everyone was as enthusiastic. These people among almost 200 million Europeans today feeling heats of 35 degrees plus. Germany, one of the countries feeling the brunt. 41.5 degrees recorded today, its highest ever temperature. In the centre of Berlin, police brought out the water cannons. In the Netherlands, a bridge hosed down to stop steel from expanding, while Poland felt highs of around 36 degrees. It could hit 40 tomorrow. Italy's longest river, the Po, is seeing seawater make its way up, as the fresh water subsided to levels never seen in June, sparking fears of a July drought in the heartland of Parmesan production. Across Europe, records are being broken. The consequences of this wave have been deadly. In France, the bodies of 4 toddlers were found in hot cars in separate incidents over the last few days, while the country also says at least 55 drownings have been linked to the heatwave, a figure it fears will rise. But as the country begins to see some respite, a slight drop in temperatures today, those in Europe's east are bracing themselves as this wave of intensity comes their way. Gavin O'Callaghan, RTE News.